Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many Blink camera users face: forgetting your password. If you're locked out of your Blink account in 2025, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a quick and easy reset process. This will get you back in control of your home security in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on a device with internet access, like your phone, tablet, or computer. Open up your web browser and head to the official Blink website, or if you prefer, launch the Blink app. Once you're there, look for the login page. It's usually the first thing you see. Now, if you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. This is typically right below the login button. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Blink account. Go ahead and type that in, then hit Submit. Blink will send a password reset email to your inbox. Check your email. Don't forget to look in your spam folder if it doesn't show up right away. Once you find it, open the email and click on the reset link provided. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After entering your new password and confirming it, you'll be redirected back to the login page. Go ahead and log in with your shiny new credentials. If everything goes smoothly, you should be all set. But what if you run into issues? Double check that you're using the correct email and ensure your account is active. If you still have problems, Blink's support team is there to help. Visit their help center or contact them directly. There you have it, folks. Resetting your Blink password is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.